Red Bull? Red Bull?
Yeah.
This is the Red Bull come from, my friend.
Oh.
They are good for energy, for stamina, and also good for memories in our brain. Like that. Yeah. If you like, this is good for that. Yeah. Who's who?
Everyone.
You? Okay.
He's the. He wants to buy one.
And this one is the mangosteen, my friend.
Okay.
Mangosteen is like a regular fruit from Bali. They are good for people who has cancer in our body.
Oh.
For skin, for hair, and for anything, mister. Very good, this one. You can try later. Yeah?
Okay.
And this one, how we grow coffee. This is the coffee from Bali. The coffee, they start like a flower first. After flowers, they are green bean and to be red. And then in here, process like a traditional. We dry the coffee and we process roasting. But I will show you later. Do you like coffee, guys?
Yeah. Everyone likes that.
And this one lemon. I think you know already lemon.
We
Yeah,
know.
yeah, this is good for antioxidant on your body and good for diet, my friend. You don't need diet, you. Me need it. And this one is the vanilla, yeah.
Oh,
The vanilla, they come like a bean and the flour, like we dry, we making coffee, and also we mix with the vanilla chocolate as well.
chocolate,
Yes, from this one. Yeah. This is the real one.
Okay.
From the roots, my friend. And then we dry the roots and then we making tea. This is good for people who has asthmatic in our body. Yeah. And this one is good for sore throat, headache, for flu. Yeah. And also for cooking.
Yep.
And this is sugar tea.
Sugar cane. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, we
we're
know
making
sugar cane.
sweet or tea, coffee or chocolate in here.
Mm.
Yeah, more than 2 hours.
Okay.
This is the honey and the top.
Yeah.
And this is the another one, a banana. You said.
Yeah. I've seen banana.
And here we grow lemongrass. Lemongrass, lemongrass plant like this. The lemongrass we use the stem for making tea. Good for people has cholesterol, stomach problem, like mosquito cooking as well. You can smell. Smell very good. Yeah. Very good.
Cause you're the best I have ever seen.
Oh, it comes like this.
Yeah, this is like a become
Cocoa
yellow.
chocolate,
Yeah, this is the chocolate come from. You buy in the market like a Toblerone or something like that. This is come from. Yeah, this is we cut them when they become yellow, and then we dry the bean, and then we crush them to making hot chocolate. And also we make in here like milk, vanilla, and orange chocolate for testing. Like that. From this one. Very nice. This animal produce the expensive coffee in the world.
Oh.
Yeah, they eat the coffee, they digestion, and then poop like that. This is the animal, yeah? They eat coffee, my friend, and then the digestion and the little enzyme, and then they poop, and then we process the coffee like that. Yeah, this coffee in America, you know how much for 1 cup? $150 for 1 cup.
Which coffee?
Luwak coffee. Yeah, like this. And but in here not so expensive because why? This is our producing here. This animal, you know, they eat the quality of the coffee, the skin, because the cell of the coffee they cannot crush, they swallow, and then they have little enzyme to ferment the coffee to be a smooth coffee like that. And then they poop, and then we collect all of them, and then we dry and process like open the skin, you know, and then we clean, we wash the bean, and then we process like a roasting. Long process.
That's a long
coffee.
process.
Yeah.
So
You know,
expensive.
For example, I don't have the poop. I have like only for example, when the animal poop, they look like this.
The ginger.
This is turmeric.
Turmeric.
And then we open the skin, we clean, we wash the bean like this, and then we dry under the sun. In the coffee, you know, you have see the 2 type of the bean, the female coffee and male coffee. Why is like that? When you see the 1 cherry with the 2 bean inside,
Yeah.
this is we call them female coffee. That is really smooth, my friend. Like that. And this one bean, 1 cherries, we call the male coffee. That is really strong. This is the different. Don't say Arabica, Nespresso is strong. the male coffee makes strong. Like that.
Oh, okay.
And then we process roasting here. We process roasting with the firewood. It takes like a 1 hour, my friend, to the roasting. Yeah. And then after roasting, around 1 hour, they're getting smell or aroma. And then after that, we crush them here. Yeah, this one. Even tea, coffee, and chocolate, same process, no machine. Yeah, all traditional. Like this. And then the last one, we get filter here. We filter, put it like this until we get the coffee powder. Smell. Doesn't smell like coffee anymore. Yeah. Okay. So we've got the information to you. Now we can test you.